roads. More of the same in Marblehead, Illinois tonight, where flood cleanup continues. WGEM's Frank Healy live there this evening with more. Frank?
Don, as you can see here, just in the past hour, most of that floodwater has made its way back into Mill Creek behind me here. But what hasn't gone away yet is the debris you see under the bridge. And residents say that, well, you see this kind of thing a lot here.
Well, it's right up under the bridge, and it's out across the creek, out in the fields.
Residents who live in and around Marblehead say this is a common sight. Trees wedged under the bridge over Mill Creek and water covering East 753rd Lane. Some locals say while they used to own homes back there, this common issue has put an end to that. Gary Weir says he came to help his granddaughter take care of this.
7 inches of rain and the water come down the road and went right down in there and went on into the basement.
He says with construction taking out the shoulder for the time being, which usually helps channel some of the water away, more water got in than usual.
She called us, we live up Lorain, and so we went and got a pump, and they got a drain there, but it won't take it very fast, and fixed it up, pump it out.
He says it's hard to know if everything will work again when it all dries out.
Wash machine and furnace and hot water heater. She's got a deep freeze down there too, so it got it all.
Weir says for now the pump is staying put.
We're just going to leave that in there because it talked like it's going to be more rain.
Residents here say, well, the state does a decent job removing the debris you see behind me here. They say when it rains again, it all just comes back. Live in Marblehead, Illinois, Frank Healy, WGEM News.
Definitely a sight to see. Thank you, Frank. Here's some more information on that story. The work on Illinois Highway 57 began in May and is expected to continue through June of 2021.